Hey everybody, welcome to Potbelly Pete Reviews. Now, today I am reviewing a snack. And today's snack is chili rice crackers from ASDA. It's a pretty hefty sized bag. It's a 125-gram bag. Nuts, seeds, fruit bag. Aren't they great? But sometimes you fancy shaking it up a bit. So grab your passports to see where your international what your international chums are snacking on, and discover the world's best snacks from around the world, what the world has to offer for you to enjoy. So what are you waiting for? Just grab a pack, shake it up, it's snack time. So, as you can see, they're pretty small rice crackers. They are chili flavoured, packed with crunch and a punch. So yeah, get these open. Ooh. Alright, so I'll go through the list of ingredients in a sec. Let's try this. Okay, right, now I'm not normally a fan of rice crackers. These little tiny nuggets, see, there's something that will grow on me. I think these are something like £1 something in your ASDA, my local ASDA store. I'll have a few more, but these really not. They got the spice, and they got a kick. They're just not appealing to my palate. But the ingredients on these are rice, palm oil, soy sauce, soybeans, water, salt, wheat, sugar, tapioca starch, chili powder, licorice powder, colour flavour, paprika extract. Halogens may contain nuts or peanuts, no artificial colours, flavours, or hydrogenated fat. But you can definitely taste the licorice in there. The licorice is pungent, and I'm not a big fan of licorice, unfortunately. I'm also not a big fan of the flavour of tapioca, and you can taste that as well. The heat from chili powder, on a heat scale for me, say it's a 1.5. No. Rewrite that. Half. They're not that spicy. Right, so if you're expecting something which is going to blow your taste buds to pieces or give you a bad day or end up on the toilet, you'll be very disappointed, because these won't even get you anywhere close. Now, we've got to try these things. The whole point of me being Potbelly Pete, I've got to review these things and I've got to give you my honest opinion on them. But for me, in the middle. They're not down, they're not up. They're in the middle. It's just the flavour of that licorice and the flavour of that tapioca powder. It puts me off. If you've ever seen tapioca, it looks like frog spawn. Little frog spawn in cream. Whoa, whoa. I know it's some sort of rice, but whoa, it looks disgusting. And licorice, it's just, well, you've got that thing from when you were a kid. You get those licorice Pontifex cakes. That's what I'm tasting with a hit of chili. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not very enjoyable, but hey, if you want to go to ASDA and grab yourself a bag of these, feel free. Drop them a comment in the comments below and tell me what you think of these. But for me, definitely a no-no. For you lot, you'll probably enjoy it. But yeah, now down to the important stuff. Please check out my sponsors, Black Art Biltong, for some amazing tasting biltong at unbelievable prices. They have got a great range of biltongs on the website, so go check them out at blackartbiltong.co.uk. Also, remember to check out my main man at LGC at FNL Gaming Community for all your online gaming needs and VR gaming needs. He's got some great videos out at the moment. He's currently playing Metal Gear Solid Ground Zero, which I think he's streaming on his YouTube channel, Facebook page, Twitch, and so forth. So go check him out. You can also play online games with him. He's happy to play any game with anyone. So if you contact him, he'll give you his details and you can join him on one of his streams. But now, please, give me a big thumbs up. Say you enjoyed this video. Please share your friends and family. Remember to smash that red button, turn it grey. Help me reach 50 subscribers where I'm taking on a very special LOF challenge. And I'll be doing an amazing prize giveaway where I'll be putting in some of the amazing products I've reviewed so far, plus an extra special one coming from way over the pond. Hopefully that'll be here very soon by the time we reach 50 subscribers. Who knows? Anyway, don't just watch the pig, follow the pig. And remember, guys, to keep on hiking.